Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, you can subscribe or you can hit the bell below so that you open the notification button that anytime I post my videos you are able to see them. So we want to look at Surds, that is rationalizing the denominator, and we want to use that by looking at a few examples. Rationalize and simplify. We have 1 over root 2. Simply rationalizing the denominator is removing the surd from the denominator. So we can rationalize the first one. This will give us 1 over root 2. We multiply the conjugate, both the numerator and the denominator. So or times root 2 over root 2. So this gives us 1 times root 2 to give us root 2 over root 2 times root 2. So it is 2 times 2, which will be the square root of 4. So that gives us root 2. The square root of 4 is 2. And we have rationalized and simplified that surd. B, we have 6 over 3 minus root 3. So we can rationalize the denominator by saying that this is 6 over 3 minus root 3. We multiply the conjugate of the denominator both on the numerator and denominator, so the conjugate will be 3 plus root 3. So we change the sign, that gives us the conjugate into brackets, the conjugate of the denominator 3 plus root 3. We open brackets, 6 times 3, that will give us 18. 6 times root 3, that will give us 6 root 3 over 3 times 3, that gives us 9. 3 times root 3, that will give us plus 3 root 3. Root 3 times 3 to give us minus 3 root 3. Root 3 times 3, that will give us minus the square root of 9. So this is 18 over 18 plus 6 root 3 over, this is 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is 0. So it is 3 minus the square root of 9 is 3. So 3 minus 9 minus 3 to give us 6. So you can simply say that this will give us 18 divided by 6 to give us 3 plus 6 divided by 6 to give us root 3. Example C. This is root 3 minus 4. We multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate, now the sign changes to positive, multiplied by root 2 plus root 5 into brackets or over root 2 minus root 5 into brackets, multiply the conjugate root 2 plus root 5 root, so 3 times 2 to give us the square root of 6. 3 times 5 to give us plus the square root of 15. Negative 4 times 2, it will give us minus 4 root 2. Negative 4 times that will give us minus 4 root 5 all over. This is simply the same as 2 times 2 to give us 4. 5 times 5, this will simply give us minus root over 25. So I have simplified this using the quadratic identities. So this will give us root 6, that is the numerator, root 6, root 6 plus root 15 minus 4 root 2 minus 4 root 5 all over. The square root of 4 is 2 minus the square root of 25 is 5. So our answer will be equal to root 6 plus the root of 15 minus 4 root 2 minus 4 root 5 all over 2 minus that to give us minus 3. And we have simplified. We cannot be able to add or subtract any of the surds because the number under the root sign are not the same. Part D, we have root 3 all over root 3 minus root 2. So this gives us root 3 multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator, that is root 3, plus root of 2 all over root 3 minus root 2, close the brackets, root 3 plus root 2. We open the brackets, root 3 times root 3, so 3 times 3 it will be the square root of 9. 3 times 2 it will be plus the square root of 6 all over. This is 3 times 3, that is root 9. Root 9. Then 2 times 2 it will be minus the square root of 4. So this gives us the square root of 9 is 3 plus the square root, that is root 6 all over the square root of this is 3 minus 2, it is 1. So we can simply say that our answer will be 3 plus root of 6. This is 3 minus 2, it will give us 1. Question 2. Simplify, leaving your answer in third form, that is 4 all over root 5 plus root 2 minus 3 root 5 minus root 2. So this will give us, we can simply say that the whole of this. So the LCM is root 5 plus root 2 into brackets root 5 minus root 2. So the whole of this Therefore, this will have 4 into root 5 minus root 2 minus 3. This one and this one will cancel, will remain with this. 3 into root 5 plus root 2. So opening brackets on the numerator, this will give us 4 root 5. 4 times that to give us 4 root 2 this negative 3 times root 5, negative 3 root 5 plus minus negative 3 times that, negative 3 root 2 all over 5 times 5, that gives us 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Then 2 times 2, it is the square root of 4, which will give us minus 2. So 4 can be subtracted with 3 root 5. So 4 minus 3, it is 1. So it will be root 5. Negative 4 minus 3. So negative 4 and 3, that gives us negative 7. So negative 7 root 2 all over 5 minus 2 to give us 3. So that is our answer. Lastly, question 3. Without using a calculator or a mathematical table, express root 3 all over 1 minus cos 30 in Surd form and simplify. So we want to find the trigonometric ratio without using a calculator or a mathematical table of cos 30. So we use special angles, special triangles, whereby you can say that our angle here is 60. This angle here is 30 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So we have 2, 2, this side is 1, 1, meaning that using Pythagoras theorem, our height will be equal to hypotenuse squared, which is 2 squared minus the base squared, then the square root. So our h will be equal to 4 minus 1, that is the root of 3. So therefore we can say cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent, that is cos adjacent, which is the same as adjacent here is root 3 over hypotenuse, which is 2. Therefore the trigonometric ratio of cos 30 is root 3 over 2. So you can substitute here and say that this gives us root 3 all over 1 minus root 3 all over 2. So this is the same as root 3 all over 2 minus root 3 all over 2, which will be the same as root 3 into brackets 2 all over 2 minus root 3. So this will give us 2 root 3. We are opening the brackets. Root 3 times 2, it is 2 root 3 over 2 minus root 3. So we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate. That will give us 4 root 3 plus 6 over 4 minus 3. So I've rationalized the denominator by multiplying 2 minus root 3, 2 minus 2 plus root 3, both the numerator and the denominator. If you do that on the numerator, it will give us 4 root 3 plus 6, and the denominator will simplify to 4 minus 3. So this will give us 4 root 3 plus 6 or over 1. So our answer is simply the same as 4 root 3 plus 6. Thank you for watching, guys. On my YouTube channel, you can subscribe or you can turn the notification button. Thank you for watching.